your girl Chris, and here is how I do my spring twist. This is not a tutorial, I'm not a cosmetologist or anything like that, but here you go. Let me tell y'all, when I was braiding my hair with these nails, it was a struggle, but it got better. Just wait. So far, how I install it is I started off as a box braid, probably braid it down to about 5 times, and then you'll see me split my natural hair in two, and then just twist it all the way down. And that's how I do it. So yeah, I've done a lot of, research, I guess, in different ways how to do it, and this is the easiest way, and it stays in my hair longer. Alright, y'all, so y'all can clearly see that I was doing. But as you can see, I started in the middle with the color, and then I started in the back with the black. So right now I have black, and then like the blonde, and then the black on the other side, so that way it will be mixed. Pretty cool, I guess. So I wanted to try something different. But as you can see, I did the middle, and I'm just basically starting it out as a box braid, as I said, braided 5 times and then twisted. And here I am again dancing, so I'm singing, so please excuse my silliness. Here is the progress so far. Look at that, real cute, honey. Real cute. And here I have a little section left. It came out really well. I'm very proud of myself. And here's me just laying down my little baby hairs of what I have left. I just used gel, shaped them up with an edge comb, and then sprayed got to be spray, and then just wrapped around the strips around my edges so that way they can lay. Right now you really can't see, but I am just trimming off like the little straggly hairs on the ends, and just doing a maintenance check through the hair since I am finished, which you can see right now. Thanks for watching, guys. So this is the end, and peace. Love y'all.